Do you hate just opening up your saddlebags and everything is just kind of thrown in there and you don't know what's what and you got to dig all around to try to find what you want? Well, we're about to solve that problem today, so stay tuned. What's up and welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time to the channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Rails and everything on this channel is about motorcycles, more specifically my 2023 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited, as well as the 2024 Suzuki Hayabusa not limited, anniversary edition, 25th anniversary edition. So, but today we're going to focus on the Harley Ultra Limited because as you've seen in the beginning of the video, it's one thing that I can't stand, and that's clutter and stuff like that. I don't know if it's the prior military in me, the veteran in me or whatnot, but I like to have things in order. And the thing with, the Harleys, they don't come with anything to keep your stuff in order in those. So they have several companies that make different brands. I went with a specific one because I wanted to get something to organize everything I got in there. I wanted to be of good quality, so forth and so on. So without further ado, we have saddlebag liners, and these saddlebag liners are, you got leather on the inside, great stitching. You can see, and you see all of the pockets. That's what I'm talking about. You got pockets and you got elastic hooks for like tools and stuff like that. And I could just get everything in there. This is from NICECNC, NICECNC. They got a whole bunch of stuff on their website. They, cater to all different styles of bikes. So I'll make sure all their information is in the description. But I cannot wait to get these in my saddlebags so I can start organizing everything. And it's, real simple. They got two-sided Velcro. So you put the bag in there, you line up the bag. You see these right here. These are the double-sided Velcro right here. So you just get those in place, pull the white adhesive with a white paper off of them, and you just put them in there. And then you got these two holes right here in which your saddlebag locks go into these and you tighten it down. So, man, like I said, y'all seen I got, just stuff thrown in there right now. And, when you're riding, stuff is shifting and moving and all of that. And like I said, I might get somewhere and I might need something specific and I got to kind of go digging for it sometime. And that's really in both saddlebags. So there's nothing like being organized. And this saddlebag liner from NICECNC is the way to go, guys. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to install these on the bike and we're going to get our stuff organized so that way you can see what mine looks like. Now, like I said, they have other brands that make them. This to me was the best bang for the buck. I believe they're $80 on the NICECNC website. Like I said, everything will be in the description down below. And I might have a little surprise for you as well. So like I said, good diamond stitching in here. Nice place to hold everything. We can go ahead and get this thing in the bike, y'all. Let's go. All right, guys, so now we got everything stashed in here. I got my tire plug kit right here. I have my Allen and T-wrench sets here. I got my tire pressure gauge right there. I got my small air compressor here and my first aid kit right there. So everything is in here. This stuff is not going to be moving around, especially these smaller things that would always be all over the place when I stop and looked in the saddlebag. So everything is in here, perfect. Like I said, good quality. It's, everything adhered good. And if I, want to remove them to clean, it's double-sided Velcro, no problem with that. So, get done, close them up. It's good to go. When we need something, when we stop, we know it's going to be right there. What y'all think? So that right there, guys, was a simple fix to be able to have everything stored in order and knowing whenever I stop the bike, regardless of what type of roads I take, how fast I'm going or how much I'm leaning, everything is going to be in its place when I come to a stop. So you can't beat it. Like I said, on NICECNC website, those are $80.99. And we're going to see if we can get you guys a discount code drop down below. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you look in the description to see for the discount code. But you can't beat the price because they have other companies selling them for $200-300 and more. And like I said, that's good quality leather in my personal opinion. It has more than enough storage that I'm gonna need to be able to, you know what, now I can put some more tools in there because I just didn't want to have a lot of stuff clinking all around. Now I have more space that I can add specific tools that I want to take with me when I go on, longer trips and just, everyday stuff that I need while I'm riding, just in case I may need tools. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rider side done and we're going to be complete. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Shout out to NICECNC for an amazing quality saddlebag liner for my Harley-Davidson. I'm looking forward to taking many trips with it. So until next time, if you guys out there riding, ride safe, keep your rubber side down, shiny side up. Peace.